guys, and today I'm showing you all my Nerf guns. So I got this one for my birthday. I got this one at Toys R Us, and this one on Goodwill. But so this is the ones that I like. The reason I don't like this one, the reason why, because it shoots. It doesn't work that much. When I shoot it, it doesn't work that much. And I don't like this one because it's jammed. It's jammed. You want to see inside of it? Inside of it, jammed. Look. Inside of it is jammed. Inside of it's jammed. And I like this one because this one, it can shoot very well, just like this. Here, I'll show you. Here, I'll show you. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you guys. You see, I like this one. And so that's why I like you. Let's see, leave it comment below which one is your favorite gun. Okay? Now, bye.